Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your new followers notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Here you will find notifications, click on it. And now you find new followers, just click like this and this will be turned off. And that's how to turn off your new followers notification settings. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.